The Latino Service Providers is an information and referral network. It was founded in 1989 by Latino leaders. The founding member was Algio Casul, and co-founders Linda Garcia, Pat Novella, myself, and others were instrumental in creating the Latino Service Providers to meet the needs of the Latino community.
The agencies that we network with will send us their information weekly, sometimes daily, and we will put the most current information on the newsletter. It's done electronically, and it is sent out to all of our members. Currently, we have around 500 members who will receive that electronic newsletter.
And they will distribute it to the folks that come to see them and the clients that already are coming to their agency.
Our program is member-driven. So if they sent us a lot of information a week, we might send out 2 newsletters, we might send out 3 newsletters if it's a lot. If we don't have a lot of information for our members, then we would only do 1 newsletter.
When we send out the electronic newsletter, you may have up to 10 different events, or somebody looking for a job, or somebody offering a job. Mm-hmm. And the only thing that holds us back in sending more than that is just that some folks in the community do not have the capacity to receive too many graphics. So we have to be careful about how much we send out. The whole idea about sending out the electronic newsletters is for people to get the information in a timely manner and to help them, whether it's they're going through foreclosure, or they have immigration issues, or they need positive parenting classes. They'll be able to get this information in a timely manner, which fits right into our mission of prevention and early intervention. Primarily, we're comprised of social service agencies, members of the community, and government entities, and education. The criteria is very simple. It's for the needs of the Latino community. It will benefit the Latino community in some way, be it immigration issues, education, events in the community, fundraisers, to help other nonprofits. The only thing that it really does not serve is to be highly political. We try to stay neutral and nonpartisan, as well as not use in a solicitation. What I recommend to business folks is that if they're a member, they will know about what is happening in the Latino community, what programs are out there, and also they may have an interest in providing services to the Latino community in some way, either by attending a fundraiser or by donating to an agency that is of interest to them. So they can use that information in other ways. They might have an educational seminar that is free to the public, and in that way they can advertise their seminar via the Latino Service Providers. It's just mainly not to solicit, not to sell their business.
We are currently working on having advertisements on our website, which would help us raise more money to continue our program.
Every month, the Latino Service Provider members host a meeting at one of their locations, and they provided a venue, a space. Members get to know where their agency is located.
For the first 30 minutes of the meeting, the host will get to share their information, the services they offer, their mission, who they serve, and anything else that they think is important to share with the community. After the first 30 minutes, we will have everybody talk about their programs.
We'll take 2 to 3 minutes to talk about their agency or a program that they have that is upcoming. Maybe it's a new program, maybe there's a program that's ending. They might have a job opening that they're looking for bilingual people. So they will have an opportunity to share for 2 to 3 minutes on what is happening in their agency. So it serves many, many purposes. We usually have anywhere between 20 and 50 attendees at each meeting, and it's the last Thursday of the month. It starts at 11:30 a.m. and it ends at 1 p.m.
Any member can join. They don't necessarily have to be Latino. We do focus on the Latino community, but anybody that feels that they are a part of the Latino community can join. We don't discriminate against anybody.
There's several ways to become a member of the Latino Service Providers. One way is by going to our website at www.latinoserviceproviders.org and going to join, become a member, and there's a form that can be submitted electronically. You can call our office and talk to me or Fabiola Espinosa, our community health representative. There are no requirements to become a Latino Service Provider member. You can join and you can remove yourself from our electronic database at any time. If your interest is in the Latino community, this is the way you would want to become a member. The website was actually just revised and updated, and we have some information that is in English and Spanish for the Latino community on what we do, how to contact us, how to become a member. We have a resource tab that will help folks find resources on ESL classes in the community, translators and interpreter lists, and a listing of all the mental health services that are in Sonoma County. The agencies are not listed yet. Eventually, we hope to have a directory of all Latino service providers posted on the website, but at this time, they would have to call us or email us and put in their request, and we can see if we can find that information for them.
Our hope is to, as we get more established, we will have more resources to offer the community. It could be legal, it could be mental, it could be health services, dental services. This is our office, and this is actually, we're on the Latino Service Providers website. You can find it at www.latinoserviceproviders.org. And this is where we make the electronic newsletter, and we work on emails, and we receive calls usually here.
We acquired this office in January, and Fabiola and myself work a lot through this office. However, we do a lot of community events as well. So we might be attending a job fair or a resource fair. So we usually ask people to call us before they come to our office, so that they can find us here, because we're not always in this office.
We attend any community event that we feel is a part of our mission statement. We set up a booth and we talk to people that are attending the community fair, and we tell them what we offer, who we are. We also have sign-in sheets in case they want to join our membership list.
And open up just more channels of communication, so that the more people that know, the more people that will come on, and the information will get out into the community quicker, and the folks that need these services will be able to receive them in a timely manner.